Hello everyone and welcome back to WAM'S tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to show you the transformation of my old mobile cover. I'm just going to use some Faber-Castell glitter paints and a brush. So the first step here is take a pen and mark it as you like. I'm just going to draw some random lines to paint it. Once your marking is done, select the paints that you would like to paint on your mobile cover. Now here I have chose 3 different colors. One is normal black paint and the other 2 glitter paints. Now first let us start with the glitter white paint on the top. Firstly, let us paint the first coat. Spread the paint evenly. Keep coating the paint until it turns dark and until it gives a good coverage. Paint the rest parts as shown. Now I'm going to paint the second color. As we have done with the two paints, now let us move on to the final touch-up, that is black paint. And once you're done with the painting, leave it for 15 minutes approximately to dry up. And do not forget to cover the corners too. Now leave it for 15 minutes. As you can see, the cover is dried up. Now let us do the second coating of the paint. Once you are done with the second coating and the final touch-up, leave it for other 15 minutes to dry up. As the second coat has also dried up, let us move on to the final touch-up. Here I am using some Fevicol. You can also use transparent nail paint. You need to just pour some Fevicol on the cover case and spread it with the help of brush. Once you are done applying the glue evenly, leave it for a whole night to dry up. Now it gives you a shiny effect once it dries up and covers the paint. Now as the glue has dried up, you can see the final cover. You can also add a pop socket to this mobile cover to give it a different look. You can also customize your pop socket with adding some stickers or any other stuffs that you like. So with this, our mobile cover is ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching WAM'S tutorial. Thank you.